What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, as you know, EFF Gauteng, they opened a case against Zandile Dabula, the leader of Operation Dudula, for blocking illegal foreigners from accessing healthcare services. So, it turns out, that there are people who went to the Alexandra police station to try and see this case that was opened by the EFF. But when they got to this police station where the EFF opened this case against Operation Dudula, they did not find any case number that was confirmed by the police. So it turns out, that the police at Alexandra police station, they might have rejected, this case that was presented by the EFF. So this is a huge loss for the EFF, and it's a big, big win for Operation Dudula. So the reason why EFF might have lost this case is because maybe they were trying to open a case for an undocumented person, and that could be the reason why that their case was probably rejected. So probably this is why, the EFF is no longer giving us an update on social media as to what is happening to their case, because they had promised so much, with regards to this case, that it is going to yield something. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.